it out of the box.
The Arbinger Institute continues to make a lasting impact among nonprofit organizations. Recently, the executive directors and senior staff members of 6 Houston area agencies participated in a week-long leadership training seminar. With the assistance of the One Heart Foundation and admin staff, the training introduces the group to the Arbinger language and then helps the nonprofits with visioning in the short and long term. The direction is deeply appreciated.
I was very, very stressed, and I was very overworked, and I was asked to take 4 whole days out of my life in order to come to this institute. And my response was, well, if I can actually take that much time, then I should probably take a vacation, because I'm about ready at the breaking point. About a day and a half into this seminar, I realized how relaxed I was becoming, how energized I was becoming, and by the end of the week I've come to realize that I'm actually more rested than had I taken a vacation, but not just a vacation. Now I am empowered to really make things better for the organization on a going forward basis, so I'm truly grateful.
It just happened to come at a time when Caring Adoptions is at a crossroads. We're either going to grow or we're going to remain a mom and pop, and our board's been talking about long-range planning but not doing anything about it. So this just was good timing for our agency.
Here are just a few of the ways where the Arbinger revolutionary system of reporting and accountability is helping nonprofit agencies. They are now able to measure performance using a new kind of metrics, demonstrate to donors actual performance improvements, identify the right objectives for each service delivered, and develop one-year operating plans for accomplishing those objectives.
The metric system that we learned here through this program this week will allow Be an Angel to take a look at our objectives and show how we measure them to our donors. And so instead of just sharing a small or emotional story, we're going to be able to share big measurements on how we achieve our results.
The organizations are also in a position to make precise corrections to ensure maximum effectiveness, identify clear objectives and plans for the future, efficiently scale the organization, and locate and end foundational problems that undercut effectiveness.
You can always provide services, but are you providing services effectively and in the most efficient manner? And this really gives us a way to look back and see what can we do to tweak the programs that we're already doing, so that way we can measure them and become more effective and therefore help more of our clients in a more positive way.
It gives us a great way to communicate with our board, with our volunteers that are helping us put our organization together. Plus, just the fundamental layout of how to operate our center once we get it up and running is going to be unbelievable.
Within a couple of days of coming here, I realized what an impact this experience could have on my entire staff, not just for the organization, not just for how they could give more to the organization, but what this could do for them in their lives. And so in 1 month, I'm going to close the office, and I'm going to bring my entire staff here for 2 days. For a small organization and a small staff, that is quite a commitment. I think the payoff will be light years beyond what that commitment will be.
For more information about the Arbinger Institute and its philosophies, visit us at arbinger.com.